Hello, future engineers. Let's go through your warm-up for this morning. Here is your warm-up. Remember, maximum 15 minutes. We're going to make a cube that is 7 inches on all sides. What we're going to do is go ahead and start with, bring up the drawing tool. We're going to start by making this front face. Oops, drawing with the mouse is pretty hard. We're going to go ahead and make this front face of the cube right here. And then we're going to extend it back on all edges to create the cube. Everything in Inventor starts off as a 2D drawing turned into 3D. Let's go ahead and undo those. Very good. Let's go ahead and jump on over to Inventor. We're going to go to File, go to New, don't click, just hover, and we're going to go to New Part. Every time you see that red circle, it means I have clicked. And wait a few seconds for it to load. All right, so now that we are here, we're going to start by going to 3D Model and start a 2D sketch. Click on the top of the button, not the bottom, but the top. It'll bring up your coordinate plane, kind of like different pieces of paper, whichever one you want to click on to start drawing on. We are going to click on the, you should see it here, the XY plane. And on our view cube, it should say front. From there, we'll see that we are now in sketch mode. We're going to go to the rectangle tool. And very important that we always start in the very center. That dot should turn green. We're going to click once. It was just a click, not a hold. And then we're going to move our mouse without clicking over here. And click again. We've now made a square. Move this over. And now we just have to hit escape to stop drawing rectangles. We're going to go to Dimension. Dimension tool is going to add the measurements for us. Let's go ahead and click this top line once. And then let's click maybe right up here. Click again. It's going to ask us how long we want that line to be. We're going to tell it to be 7 inches. Type 7 and enter. Now, it has not disappeared, it's just gotten too big, so I'm going to click on the word front right here so it will zoom to fit. And we are still in dimension mode, so let's go ahead and tell this how tall it needs to be. Go ahead and click on this line, click over here, and let's go ahead and delete this and tell it to be 7 inches. Perfect, all the lines are black, that means it is complete. We will click Finish Sketch. It zoomed into the space. Let's go over here, hit the house button so that we can see all of it. And then the last step is we're going to click Extrude, 3D Model tab, then click Extrude. And then we're going to tell this distance to be 7 inches. And you know what, let's make it go the other way. And then hit OK. And lastly, hit the house button so it's zoomed to fit, and that's it. We have now completed our 7-inch cube.